help you guys to assemble them, okay? So the chairs comes in separate boxes, right? So this is the back of the chair, okay? And it comes in a box of 5. And then you have the actual chair in a separate box, okay? And then you have, if you end up getting a book rack, this comes in a separate box of 5, okay? And they all have their screws. The rack at the bottom has 4 screws, and this chair cover has 6 screws, okay? Follow me. Don't take all this. So as you can see, this is the chair, okay? And this is the seat cover, the back of it. And it has, you can see the holes right there. 6 holes. Can you see it? As a matter of fact, 6 holes. And the holes, these are the screws for it. You're gonna need a power drill to make sure that you screw this right, okay? Because you don't want to mess it up. And these are the ones, actually I did all these already. My son and I, we did that all together. So basically you line it up. Just be very careful when you line it up. And you put the screws. What I do is I put all the screws in just to make sure before I even use the power drill, okay? So you just very close so they can see what I'm doing. See right here? See? Just put it all in. Do the same for all of them first. Then now I'm gonna line it up, okay? Make sure you line it up really the way you want it. So you check the right and you check the left to make sure that it's lined okay. Then you check the front part and you go in like this. You take your power drill. It's time consuming, but to me, I don't mind doing it at all. And I put that in like this. Get it closer to this, not like this. You can do it twice. There we go. And then the same thing on this side until you get it all right. And then you do the rest of it, okay? There's part 2 to this video, so check the part 2 out. Thanks for watching, hope this helps.